My name is Bach and now I'm at Saigon railway station. This summer, my family and I are traveling to the central provinces of Vietnam and we decided to go there by train. Have you heard about the SE22 train? There are lots of reviews of that train on the internet, highlighting its speed, modernity, cleanliness, and especially its luxurious restaurant. Okay, I'm very excited now. Let's try it with me. I hope this trip will be a good experience for my family and me. I also hope to provide you with information about the SE22 train. I hope you enjoy it. The SE22 train offers two types of tickets. The first one is air conditioner seats tickets. The second one is separate sleeper tickets. The tickets price for these two types vary significantly. For example, traveling from Saigon to Danang, the seat tickets cost about 550,000 Vietnam dong, while the sleeper tickets cost 1,100,000 Vietnam dong. You can buy tickets directly at the station or online through their website. Remember to buy your tickets early to avoid any disruptions to your travel plans. Feels very comfortable. One thing to note is bringing pets. You need to inform the station when purchasing tickets and follow their requirements. I'm currently in a sleeping berth cabin. This cabin has 4 beds with pillow and blankets provided. And there's a lovely window view. When the train moves, lying on the bed feels very comfortable and relaxed. You can reading books or eating at this small table. It's very amazing. You can still hear the engine noise outside, which might make some people worry about not being able to sleep. But for me, it's not a problem because this night I won't sleep. This is the soft seat carriage, and the new feature here is that the seats can rotate in many directions. It is useful for passengers to see facing the directions of the train's movement, reducing dizziness. When traveling in a group, the rotating seats help create more space for conversation throughout the trip. One thing I love about traveling by train is being able to go out into the hallway to enjoy the view or walk through the different carriages to satisfy my curiosity. It is also a great way to beat boredom on long journeys. Occasionally, you see some staff moving through the hallway with the carts. These mobile carts offers a variety of snacks like instant noodles, boiled corn, boiled eggs, candies, etc. The restroom feels more spacious compared to other trains I have been on, and it's certainly cleaner. It also has a mirror and a sink. There's a hot and cold water dispenser on the train. If you need to make coffee or instant noodles, you can do it.
Từng khó xuyên qua đêm tình mộng gối đang lất đất chợt anh như hè qua ngập tràn ấm áp nắng sớm.
I found this trip truly interesting. The train took my family from Saigon to Danang in 30 hours. Along the way, it stopped at various stations such as Bien Hoa, Bình Thuận, Nha Trang, Quang Ngãi, and etc., with many beautiful sights and densely populated areas. This trip taught me a lot of different emotions. I hope that one day in the future I can explore more things in our beautiful country, Vietnam. And if you have any question about this train SE22, please comment below. I will answer it for you.
Tình mộng gối
Thanks for watching.